Jake was ready to enjoy his lunch, but Mittens had other plans. All right, Mittens, you know the drill. No begging, Jake said playfully. Mittens, a master of stealth, saw her opportunity. Hey, that was my lunch, Jake exclaimed, exasperated. Jake was shocked. Mittens was eating more than he was. In playful retaliation, Jake gave Mittens a little nibble. Meow, Mittens exclaimed dramatically. Mittens, deeply offended, made a swift exit. Oh, come on, I barely touched you, Jake teased. But where was Mittens going? Turns out she had a mission, more spaghetti. And just like that, Mittens became the provider of the house, the narrator said humorously. Mittens, where did you get all that spaghetti? Jake asked, astonished. Mittens responded proudly with a meow.